Hi.
Welcome back to Daytime
welcome,
Live.
Dee.
Now, St. Lucia is in the Hizzy house today.
Audience.
And we are happy to have with us international cricketer. He's not just a coach. Hold on a second. Hold on. I mean, he's not just a present coach. He's also former captain of the West Indies cricket team. Welcome to Daytime Live, Mr. Daren Sammy, OBE.
OBE. All right.
You're making me blush.
OBE. Okay, sir.
Listen, if you work for the accolades now, you should have said.
Just take it. But I have to ask you a question because I heard clearly stated Haitian, right? But I yard with that, Jamaica with it. So my question to you is, what is the best thing that you love about coming to Jamaica?
Well, the best thing about Jamaica throughout the Caribbean is the people, but the food. I mean, people know about the music.
Yeah.
I was giving a story outside. Jamaica had me loving fish, steamed fish.
Yeah.
I did not like that at all.
Yeah.
And first time came to Jamaica, experienced the steamed fish. I went to a restaurant called Bones, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and then obviously Cuddy's had a restaurant just...
Right. Yeah.
Okay, knowing the names.
Yeah.
Knowing the names.
And steamed fish.
Okra and the
Yeah,
Okay.
I went back home trying to find that flavor, but you know, Jamaicans have a special way of cooking. So
There's nothing like that in St. Lucia.
I did not say that.
Like that, though.
He just said that in
Like
St.
that.
Lucia, he didn't like it.
No.
But
Okay.
he said
Be careful, you know,
has
St.
a
St. Lucia,
special
Jamaica.
way
Way
of
how to doing
cooking
it.
Facts.
their
Steamed fish.
Facts.
Any other dishes that you'd say?
Well, you know, the oxtail rice and peas.
You're Jamaican now.
Yeah, but you know,
No longer St. Lucia,
let me tell you, I have to be, but now I don't go to the restaurants, because guess what? Over the years, I've developed a Jamaican mommy. Yeah, so Miss Winnie, I don't know if she's watching.
She's watching. Miss Winnie.
Miss Winnie does the mean goat head soup.
Ooh, go on, Miss Winnie.
Yeah.
You see, we have to take him, you know. We take Rihanna and we have to take him. We're taking you.
Once you say that.
Taking you.
All right, so let's talk a couple of things.
Yeah.
You were the first person from St. Lucia to actually play international cricket.
Wow.
And I'm going to read out the accolades. 3 years later, you made your test debut against England, taking 7 wickets for 66 runs.
True.
Which is the best bowling figures for West Indies in the first test since Alf Valentine. I was way back in 1950.
Yeah.
So you know all those things. And under your captaincy, West Indies won the 2012 and 2016 ICC World 2020 Championships. And you are the only captain to win the T20 World Cup twice. And you're also a member of the West Indies team that won the 2004 ICC Champions Trophy.
Winner me be, man.
How do you stay so humble with so many winning accolades?
Yeah.
I just big up Miss Winnie. I have to big up my real mother now, Miss Clara.
Okay.
If you go about my social media, my hashtag is Clara's Boy.
Yeah.
You know,
Clara's
so
Boy, I love it.
The way I was raised, very, very humble. You know, my mom is not always proud to say, but she had me. She's only 15, 16 years older than I am.
Right.
I want to have 3 kids before she was 20. But the way I learned hard work and discipline through her.
Wow.
You know, and growing up in the Adventist church, you know, Adventists are very strict people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
sure.
We
That's
know
where
this.
the doctrines,
I grew up in
teachings.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Through. So
Absolutely,
it
everybody's
filtered
like-
on into my everyday life, you know, and I give a lot of credit to who I am today through the upbringing of my mom, Miss Clara.
And I love that you're talking about Miss Clara. You're
Yeah.
talking about your family.
Yeah.
You are a married man.
That's right.
And of
That's
course, and you're a father of 4 as well. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4.
Oh yeah, you know.
How do you balance though? Like Dufton said earlier, you're doing so much. How do you balance the work life?
It's getting tougher now to leave home, to be honest. I came from Pakistan recently, and they didn't know I was coming. I told them I was coming a couple of days later.
Yes.
But I surprised them, and to see the look of my boy.
Yeah.
You know, my little one. That we call him EXO. So that's I have Daren Jr. who's at University of the West Indies now, Cave Hill in Barbados. I'm really proud of that. First person from my family to go to university.
It's a big deal.
So every generation is a first.
I'm a first in a lot of things. So, but you got to balance it. You know, I always see my wife, Kathy. You know, I'm a champion outside, but she's a real champion in the office.
See? Big up the real man now. Oh, yeah. Big up, boss.
You need to have a good foundation, a good support
system.
You know,
holding it down.
You know, she said something a couple years ago in an interview that I never knew. You know, because she was into her modeling, 3 times national queen. You know, and she said that once she realized the path that I was heading, she knew she couldn't do all of these things, and she decided to take a back seat and allow me to further my career. And to be honest, to be able to play all those years and just know home is like stress-free. And she and my mom came together because they shared the same birthday.
Right.
To just make sure that when I'm on tour, my mind is always right, and you know I give big credit.
Wow, that's amazing.
Hey, I get some points.
I know she's watching these recording.
We don't have a lot of time left, but I've never been to St. Lucia. Have you?
Never.
Man, that's a shame.
All right then. Top 3 things that we must do or must see.
Okay, well, first of all, I'll tell you, you can't miss the St. Lucia Jazz and Arts Festival. That's one thing you have to do every year.
What's that?
The St. Lucia Jazz and Arts Festival.
Jazz and Arts
Festival.
Yeah, that's in April 30th to May 12th. You cannot miss that. But on the island, when you get there, Grizzly Friday night. That's the thing.
Okay.
You have to do that. And
then,
do they have fish there?
Oh, they have. Right from the ocean, they catch it, clean it up, and cook it on the grill for you. You know.
Do you know who's going to be on the lineup for your arts?
We have a couple of Jamaicans. Romain Virgo. You know, but you know, we have Air Supply, we have Chloe Bailey, we have Babyface. Bro, it's a real
Listen. Okay.
You're buying our tickets?
April 30th.
Listen.
What you say?
Our tickets.
Our tickets.
Well, guess what? My boss Christopher is like.
How are you?
He's enjoying the show, so he might, you know, I could.
Hey, all right, we can come do like a day's
after the Girls Day Friday night. You know, we have the only driving volcano in the world. You know, you could come there. I see you have nice skin. You know, our mud baths. You gotta go down Soufriere West Coast and experience that. So St. Lucia is the place to be. You know, we've been #1 for honeymoon destination. I guess that's where I get my love.
What you mean? You beat we? You beat Jamaica?
Hey, check the stats. Listen, let me tell you.
The stats before.
Let me tell you. If Oprah Winfrey said it, you gotta go against Oprah Winfrey.
That's
okay.
all right.
You pull out the big ones.
You know.
I rest my case. The amount of celebrities that come down married book up our hotels, you know.
But speaking of celebrities, though, we know that our friend of the show, Chris Gale, is huge in India. I know you guys are.
Yeah.
You know,
listen, he's the best entertainer I've seen.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You know, playing with him in the dressing room. One thing I always said, a happy Chris Gill means a successful West Indies team.
All right, quickly, you have maybe like 30 seconds.
Oh, God.
Tell us quickly, where can we find you on social media? And one thing, if somebody wants to start doing cricket, what they would love about it?
I always tell youngsters, imagine, believe, and achieve.
Imagine, believe, achieve.
Yeah. So whatever you could imagine in your mind, believe it in your heart, trust me, the body will go out and achieve.
And your social media.
And Daren Sammy, 88, you know.
And Clara's son?
The hashtag is Clara's boy.
Okay,
but everywhere is Daren Sammy on Facebook, on X now?
Yeah. On all social media platforms.
All social media
It
platforms.
is such an honor having you here. And you're a vibe. You're a vibe where I take you.
I feel the energy from you guys.
We'll meet up.
Right,
yeah, we will meet up in the
St. Lucia.
Arts Festival.
At Arts Festival, April 30th.
When you're boss.
You're boss. We see you.
Thank you for joining us. Daytime Live, we're right back, and we have a music video from South Africa.
Nice.